Hey there, green thumbs. Welcome back to another episode of Master Your Garden. Today, we're diving into everyone's least favorite part of gardening, pest control. But don't worry, I've got some simple, effective tips to keep those pesky bugs away from your beautiful summer garden. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about prevention. The best way to control pests is to stop them before they start. One of the easiest things you can do is companion planting. Planting marigolds, for example, can deter aphids and nematodes. Basil can keep mosquitoes and flies at bay, and planting garlic around your garden can repel a whole host of insects. It's like having your own garden security team. Next, let's talk about physical barriers. Sometimes, all your plants need is a little shield. Row covers and mesh netting can protect your veggies from insects without using any chemicals. They're especially useful for keeping out cabbage worms and beetles. Just make sure you secure the edges to the ground so the bugs can't sneak in. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of natural pesticides. Neem oil is a powerhouse. It's organic and works on a wide variety of pests like aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies. Simply mix it with water and spray it on your plants. Another great option is diatomaceous earth. This fine powder is made from fossilized algae and can be sprinkled around the base of your plants. It works by dehydrating insects, making it an excellent barrier. And don't forget about beneficial insects. Ladybugs, lacewings, and spiders are your garden's best friends. They prey on harmful pests and keep their populations in check. You can even buy ladybugs online and release them into your garden. Just make sure to provide a habitat for them to thrive, like diverse plantings and a water source. Lastly, if you're dealing with a persistent pest problem, consider handpicking. Yes, it's a bit labor-intensive, but it's highly effective. Early in the morning or late in the evening, go out and remove any visible pests by hand. Drop them into a bucket of soapy water to ensure they don't come back. Remember, the key to successful pest control is consistency. Regularly inspect your plants and act quickly if you spot any signs of trouble. And always opt for natural and organic methods first. Your garden and the planet will thank you. Thanks for tuning in, gardening friends. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening wisdom. Happy gardening and see you next time.